All right. Today we're going to try to make this particular creation, this 3D model that we see. You guys will have in front of you and on your computer. So go ahead and open up Inventor. So we want to create a new part. Okay. And it looks like with the shape, we're going to create the bottom first. So I'm just going to go ahead and do a rectangle, 1.5 by, looks like 2, 1 here, and 1 here. So it's 1.5 by 4. So let's go ahead and create a sketch. We know it's 1.5 by 4. So let's click the rectangle. 1.5 is the height. So that's going to be the length right there. That's 4. I'm going to tab over and hit 1.5, hit return. And let's see if we can see it. There it is. And what we need to do on the bottom, we need to go up. It looks like this is indentation 0.5 and it's over. Let's see here if we look at this correctly, if we can get this. It's over 0.5, it's up 0.5. Okay? So let's go ahead and use the line function. And if we're off a little bit right now, it's okay. I'm going to go up. It'll keep it straight for you. I'm going to go over. Now we have to make sure this is dimensioned correctly. 0.5 here to here. Pull it down. This needs to be 0.5. Okay? From this little top section down here, that needs to be 0.5. Now we also need to do it on the other side, although it might have already done it. See, that's 0.5, so it's already there. So let's go ahead and finish the sketch. Okay, and what we want to do now is we want to extrude this particular section in, and if you look at the design, see it's 2.5 inches in depth. Let's go see if we can do 2.5. 2.5 inches. Alright, let's take a look at it. So far so good. So now we need the top part, and it looks like that's 2 inches and the height's 1. 2 by 1. And I'm going to use the rectangular feature. New sketch and rectangle. We're going to put this rectangle, we'll dimension it later. I'm going to zoom in, well, we'll keep it right there. Right there. Now I remember this is 2 inches. That was close. 2 inches. Check. Now I forgot the other measurement, so we go back. Looks like it's 2 inches, and that depth going back this way is going to be 2.5 inches. So let's go ahead and go back and dimension it. And see that red dot? You want to click on that red dot. Go back to the other side. Pull it out. It already had 2.5 inches. I saw it really quick come up, so we can't redimension it. So we need to pull this out. It's extruded at 1 inch. That's the extrude. So let's go to Finish Sketch. Extrude, click on it, highlight it. We can change the distance a little bit. That's 1. Okay, there we go. Now on the right side, we have this little rectangular prism coming out here. So it looks like it's 0.75, and this distance right here is 0.25. So 0.25 by 0.75, and I'll pull it out a little bit. 0.25. So right click, new sketch. You guys are doing good. Keep up the good work. 0.25. Now don't draw or sketch above this yellow line, because there's a shape up there. So let's do the rectangle. I'm just going to draw it in here. We'll dimension it a little bit. That was, okay, about right. Dimensioning the side, if you remember, 0.25. Ooh, we're close. 0.25 and across was 0.75. Pull the dimension off, 0.75. Okay, and I think, see, that seems off right there, so we'll relook, and it's actually 1.5. See, it looked too short. So if you want, we can go undo, or we can just click on the dimension and change it. 1.5. And then I think from the top, this is 0.75, so let's check that dimension real quick. From here to here, that was 0.57, it's 0.75. Okay, so let's finish the sketch. Let's change it so we can do that extrude. I think it's extruded 0.75. But we need to look at the picture. It's pulled out by 0.75. Let's get out of this mode. Extrude 0.75. Alright. And it's pulled out. You can pick a color. Always submit it with a color or a fabrication. I'm just going to go with a rust color for today. And if you're done early, I want you guys to play around with the text feature and the emboss feature today. And you'll see those when you do a new sketch. Here's your text option, and emboss is also on here. I want you to play with those features. Good luck and have fun.